What's up, everyone? This is Emilio with Quick Property Solutions. Today I am standing in front of our new project. This project is on a street called Santa Rosa. So just wanted to show you pretty much the layout of it, why we picked it up, the progress we're making so far. And if you guys enjoy this content, please like the video, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel. I'm making this video for investors out there who are learning how to flip, wholesale, just do real estate in general, especially those that are doing it in the Detroit market. So anyways, I'm standing in front of this property now, Santa Rosa, and this is one of the reasons why I like this property. This property, it's brick, it's 3-bedroom, it's 2-bath. I feel that this property, the ARV of this property, when it's fixed up, will be about $150,000. We picked it up for around $60,000, and we're putting $40,000 into it. So we should be making a profit, hopefully, if everything goes right, around $30,000. That's it, if we could sell it for the $150,000. Now, what I'll do is I'm going to do a video tour of the outside. So it is brick. It is this nasty kind of gray color. I am planning on painting the outside of this property more of like a light color, like a off-white, not pure white, but off-white. It does come with a vacant lot, which is right here. The only funky thing is that this vacant lot is like elevated. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like lifted up right here. So let me go in the back here and show you what I got going on today. So if you remember from our other videos before, I'm working on a property called Pagel in Lincoln Park. We are near completion on that one. So the guys are over there and no one's working on this house, and I don't want it to just sit here and do nothing. So what I did was I came over here and I just wanted to start doing demo and clean out. So if you look at the back, I don't know why I didn't record myself. Recording's like a muscle, dude. Like, you gotta keep doing it over and over again. And if you stop for like a week, it's like going to the gym. If you stop for a week, it could be weeks or months before I record again. So I decided, hey, dude, get the camera, start recording. So in the back here, there was an awning here. They knocked down. It's right over here. So I gotta find a way to get rid of that. There is overgrown trees and these like, I call them weed trees. They start like these really small plants and they just sprout up to be like gigantic trees in like a couple years. So they grow super fast. They're all over the property. So what I did was I came here, I snipped all of the like branches and stuff like that around the edge. I'm going to start cleaning all this stuff. So just clean the property out. I'm going to get a lawnmower back here, cut the grass. I have my chainsaw, Harbor Freight chainsaw, one of the best investments ever. It's not the most powerful chainsaw, but I've cut down so many trees with it. There was a tree here, a tree there. I'm going to cut down that tree over there. I brought my snips with me over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down the branches of this tree here, cut that down, just pretty much, again, clean the place out. See, and I'm doing it alone. Unfortunately, I don't really have any help right now. But I have to balance it because I'm wholesaling as well. So I'm marketing for more properties. And the tricky part is trying to do this work, record, market for wholesaling, try and get more flips, more wholesale deals, all at the same time. It's like I'm juggling, and then what we have here is we have the clean out of what I've done so far. So I took down all the doors, I ripped out the carpet, I filled up some contractor bags. There was stuff in the basement, stuff in the backyard. And the good news about Detroit is instead of getting a dumpster, so like a 30-yard dumpster is going to be like $400. Instead of doing that, you could call the city and request a bulk pickup. They'll come by here and they actually have a truck, and what'll happen is they'll give you a quote to tell you how much it is, and it's better than getting the 30-yard dumpster because it's gonna be $300. They might actually pick up that trash out in the front for maybe 180 bucks. So you're saving yourself from renting the 30-yard dumpster. You could save yourself a couple $100. Okay, so again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Again, we just did the clean out. Took down most of the doors. I started taking the flooring in the kitchen here. I started in here, but the appliances are in the way. My contractor says he'll take these appliances, so I'm just going to give it to him. He could have them. But once these are cleared out, I plan on taking out this tile. It's just peel and stick, and they actually have like a very thin underlayment and some screws in here. I pretty much just get the drill, unscrew the underlayment, just take that out. The goal here is, it's not the biggest kitchen, and my budget is not that big, so I'm not going to do anything fancy like knocking down any walls and opening anything up. I am going to put tile flooring in here. I'm going to put in brand new cabinets, uppers here. And the way I'm going to do the kitchen is I'll put the fridge here, and then I'll put the oven right next to each other, and then get some uppers here. If there is enough space, what I plan on doing is maybe putting like a 12-inch cabinet like right in between the fridge and the stove. If we have space on the side here, maybe put like a 9-inch lower, just to try and, you know, get as much countertop space for the kitchen as possible. This house is about 1,000 square feet, close to 1,100 square feet. The budget on this is going to be $40,000, so it's going to be around $40 a square foot. The goal with this bathroom here, I'm just going to demo this whole thing out. It doesn't look that great. I mean, if you look at the tile, I mean, they were trying to rehab it while they lived here, but if you look at the spacing between the tiles, see how thick it is, and here it's just uneven. And it's also matte. I don't like matte when it comes to like bathroom tile. I like to have nice, I wanted it to be shiny, I guess. I want all this, polished. So I'm gonna take all this out, new vanity, get a new toilet, this shower. I'm gonna demo all this from the top. Like there's this soffit that's up here, there's nothing there. So just remove that and have new tile all the way up to the top, new vanity, new lights, install a bathroom fan. Again, all the doors, all the closets are gone. Here's the first bedroom here. I still have to, I want to tear this plastic down and just put up some, if you've seen the living room here, I just put up like this brown paper and just cover the windows. There is no power in the house, which kind of sucks. My goal is we need to get the panel set up so DTE can come here and do their thing and set it up, because there's no alarm system on here. No lights, no alarm system. I'm not too pleased with that because we've already had the house, like we've owned it for a couple days, no, for a week now, and there's no security here. So my goal is to get internet here, hook up some cameras, hook up the alarm system, so that way I could see if anything is gonna anything's gonna happen to this place. All right, let's go upstairs. Upstairs is actually not that bad. So with the carpet, I plan on keeping the carpet because it's actually in really good condition. Matter of fact, in some parts of this, you could see like it was barely walked on at all. So this is the upper bedroom, and then they added a bathroom in here. The flooring here is actually much better. I'm gonna keep the flooring in here. I don't like this vanity, it's way too small. I'm gonna get a wider vanity. I'm gonna put a nicer vanity in there. Toilet's okay. This right here, this pipe that's here, we're gonna put some drywall or sheetrock to cover that up. And then you have the shower here. So we're gonna keep the shower. I like the shower head, everything, it looks fine. The only thing that I'm gonna change is this window. I don't like, so this doesn't really make sense to have this window here, and I'll show you why, is because this is wood. They should have taken this whole thing out and had like tile here, because whenever you take a shower, the wood's gonna soak it up, and you see, you're gonna have all this rot, and it's gonna rot away the wood frame. Doesn't really make sense to put a wood frame next to a shower. So, but thankfully this tile is still in stock. This is the Carrera tile that they sell at Home Depot. So if we do need to maybe undo this and then redo all the tile just on this wall, the tile is still available at Home Depot. See, if you come in over here, they already started putting new outlet boxes here. There's a big walk-in closet, which is really cool in here. So again, with My goal is to try and get this thing done in 3 months. I always want to try and get it done sooner, but it really depends on how available my contractor is and how many projects they have. So I don't like to wait around to have them do it, because if I did wait around, the house would look the same. All that was done. I cut 2 trees in the back, cleaning up, bringing materials here. I'm about to demo the bathroom. And if I just waited for them to do it, you know, again, I don't want to do it, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty. What I want to do is I want to focus on getting more leads in off-market properties to wholesale. And then once the Packle property is done, we need another project to flip while we're flipping this one. So, you know, I gotta, you know, juggle a lot of balls at the same time. And then we have the the basement down here. They did a new clean out right here. So this is all like sand and dust. So what we have to do is we have to pour concrete over this to even it out. And here's the panel. It's a newer panel. It's just not connected. So we got to connect this before we call DTE to come out here. And once DTE comes out here, we could have power to the house and we get rocking and rolling. I like to have the bathrooms, why do I keep saying bathrooms? Basements completely gutted out. So you see this kind of like paneling here that covers the ductwork. I'm gonna knock this out. All this paneling here gets knocked out. They built a makeshift closet here. This is gonna go. I don't need this. I don't want this here. All this drywall here, gone. This drywall, gone. This door framing here, gone. I want that all gone. I want it completely open. White walls, gray floor, black ceiling. That simple. They were growing weed in here. So you see the basement walls look okay. There is a little something going on here, but I'm gonna go and check out this is the front of the house. There's no downspout. So whenever it rains, it just goes straight at the foundation. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. All this right here, studs, drywall, that's all gotta go. So I'm gonna go knock that out. Again, take this out. It's an old school utility tub. We could toss that out, put everything new in here. There's a furnace and water heater in here. We're gonna salvage that. And that's pretty much it. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, scope of work with this property, with this project. Oh yeah, new exterior door here, new kitchen, flooring, paint, new countertops, new cabinets. I am going to buy appliances for the property. I plan on putting a dishwasher here and a garbage disposal with appliances, vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring. LED lights here, so 4 recessed LEDs, one there. New outlets and switches, so get rid of all that. New vents. With the trim, I replace as necessary. If you can salvage it. But if you can't, we'll put new trim in here. Paint the interior, all new doors, 6-panel doors, all new closet doors, new hinges, handrail here. We will have to get new windows because we were trying to open some of these windows and it just didn't really, some of them were, some of them just didn't open smoothly enough. And I'll be honest, like, we got to order the windows because it's going to be at least 4 or 5 weeks to get them. But the problem is that sometimes when you do a project and everything looks brand new and you have that 1 or 2 items where to me, it's like you just kind of restored it and just make it look new, but it wasn't brand new. Those things kind of like stick out like a sore thumb. They kind of bug me. So I personally don't like to, I like to try to do everything brand new. If you could, like, new lights, but see, like with this trim here, this trim might be salvageable, potentially, but let me see so let me see this door frame here. See this door frame here? This isn't salvageable. Actually, this is kind of salvageable. That's not that bad. They could just cut here and then replace this down here if this is all okay. again, I'm going to talk to my contractor about it and trust his judgment on the whole thing. Also, this isn't drywall. This is like paneling. You can tell it's because of this kind of like trim piece here. And they have them too up here too as well. So we'll probably demo all this. Even this, all these light switches gotta go. All this is gotta go. It just looks awful. It just doesn't look good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will say this. I am getting into, I just finished a wholesaling course and I have a Detroit real estate investing course. So if you guys like this channel, if you like the video, you found value out of it, if you want to support the channel, I have a Detroit real estate investing course and I'm updating it as we speak. I'm starting to add neighborhood tours in there. I'm going to start doing some more analysis of neighborhoods. Uh-oh, what time is it? I'm going to do some more analysis of certain neighborhoods so you guys can understand the values and where to buy in Detroit. If you're interested in wholesaling, I actually have a wholesaling course, and what I want to do with the wholesaling course, I want to give it away for free for the first 25 students. I'm not going to make any money on it. The whole reason for me to create the wholesale course is to, provide value and improve people's lives with real estate and real estate investing, teaching them how to make money with it. And if you guys are interested in that, reach out to me. I'll send the link to you. And again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.